In today's video, we'll break down the problem-solving process into simple, actionable steps that anyone can follow. You can't solve a problem you don't understand. Sounds simple, right? Yet, it's a common pitfall. This is like building a house without a blueprint. It's a recipe for disaster. Mistakes are inevitable. So, how do you define the problem? Ask powerful questions. What's not working? What are the obstacles? What are the specific symptoms? Identify the root causes. Who is affected and how? Understand the impact on everyone involved. Write down the problem in clear, concise language. Now that you've defined the problem, it's time to dig deeper. Ask why. Why is this happening? Get to the root cause. Think of it like a detective investigating a crime. You wouldn't just look at the crime scene. You'd search for clues, interview witnesses, and uncover the underlying motives. Use tools like the 5 whys technique. Ask why 5 times in a row. Each answer will lead you closer to the root cause. Now comes the fun part. Brainstorming solutions. The goal is to generate as many potential solutions as possible. Don't censor yourself. Involve others in the brainstorming process. Different perspectives bring fresh ideas to the table. The more ideas you generate, the better your chances of finding the perfect solution. With a list of potential solutions, it's time to choose the best one. Consider the pros and cons of each solution. Which one is most feasible? Which one aligns best with your goals and values? Don't be afraid to combine elements from different solutions. Every choice comes with its own set of trade-offs. The key is to choose the solution that you believe will yield the best overall outcome. Now, it's time to turn it into action. This is where many people stumble. They have a great idea but struggle to execute it. The key is to create a detailed action plan. Break down your solution into smaller, manageable steps. What needs to happen first? What resources do you need? Who is responsible for each task? Set realistic deadlines for each step. A well-defined action plan provides clarity and direction. Congratulations! You've successfully tackled the problem. But the journey doesn't end there. The final step is reflection. Take time to analyze the process. What worked well? What could have been done better? This is where you turn experience into wisdom. Use tools like KPIs or key performance indicators to measure your success. Gather feedback from others involved. Identify areas for improvement. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. To know more about success strategies, check out the book Elevate on your Amazon app and keep watching Elevate series.